How do you meditate? There are lots and lots of relaxation techniques out there, but this is how I meditate. I get up early in the morning, I go to a quiet room, and I sit on my mat. I cross my legs, I put my hands in my lap, and I close my eyes. And with my back straight, I pay attention to my breathing. This is called a breathing meditation. There are many, many different ways to meditate. Some people chant while they meditate. Others use their imagination to visualize achieving their goals. Other people meditate by focusing on a word or a phrase and repeating it over and over and over. There's literally hundreds of ways to meditate. And that's because human beings have been using relaxation techniques like this for hundreds of years. So enough talking. Let's meditate. We are going to do something called a micro meditation, which is a super short meditation. This one's going to take about a minute or two. So, grab your cushion, find a quiet room where the lights aren't too bright. It could be in your bedroom with the lights turned off, or some other room where no one will bother you. The thing to remember, friends, is that you can do this almost anywhere in the house. And remember, always, always, always tell your parents when and where you're going to meditate. They could be interested in joining you, and they could set the timer for you. Okay, once you found a quiet room, place your cushion on the floor and sit on it. Take a quick moment to wiggle around and get comfortable. If you choose to lie down, get your blanket or mat and find a quiet place. Same if you're sitting in a chair. Get comfortable and settle in. Now, start your timers, or ask your parents to help you set a timer with their iPhone or their cell phone. For my timer, I like using a bell. Some of you may like to use another noise. Whatever you like to use, find something that makes you comfortable. Now, pay attention to how your body feels. If you're sitting, place both hands in your lap or place them on your knees. If you're lying down, place your hands on your chest or on your belly or at your sides. Before we close our eyes, we're going to focus on our breath. When I meditate, I bring all of my attention to my nose, and really just to the air going in and out of my nose and how it feels. Then I take a deep breath, just with my nose. I breathe in, breathe out. Now, if that's too hard, an easier way to focus on your breath is to put your hand on your belly or on your chest and feel it rise and fall with each breath. For my little friends, if you have a favorite toy or stuffed animal, you can place it on your belly and feel it rise and fall as you breathe. And if breathing through your nose is just too hard, then breathe through your mouth, whatever makes you comfortable. Let's practice it a few times. Close your eyes. Get ready. Now, breathe in. Breathe out. In, out, in, out. Very good. Remember, for this exercise, just take normal breaths. You don't have to breathe fast or slow. Just breathe normal and relaxed. Keep breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good, friends. Make sure to listen for the bell. Now, slowly open your eyes. And when you're ready, you can move. Congratulations. You just meditated. Very good, friends. Now, don't worry if you feel like you're not doing it right. The fact that you tried is a huge step. If you don't think you're doing it right, watch the video again, or leave a question in the comment section and we'll try to help. So how was the meditation? How do you feel now? Tell us about it in the comment section. Until the next video, stay calm, friends.